My character in the film is in uniform because he's an actor playing the role of an officer. When he finds out that his daughter has been kidnapped, the anger and rage he experiences and portrays is that of an emotionally distraught father. It was only in the interest of remaining true to the story that my character is still wearing the uniform on his quest to find his missing daughter.
Anil Kapoor and Anurag Kashyap's upcoming film AK vs AK has landed in trouble after the Indian Air Force took objection to Anil Kapoor wearing an Indian Air Force uniform and using foul language while wearing the uniform. The trailer of the film that dropped recently has become immensely popular thanks to its unusual storyline and semi-documentary style shot taking. But soon after the trailer launched, trouble began for the makers of the film, with the Indian Air Force raising an objection with Anil Kapoor wearing an Air Force officer's uniform in the film and using foul language that is demeaning to those serving the nation. In the promotional clip they have found objectionable, Anil Kapoor is seen abusing Anurag's character and then performing to one of his hit songs in a seemingly drunk condition. Indian Air Force ने इस वीडियो को शेयर करते हुए अपने पोस्ट में लिखा, The AIF uniform in this video is inaccurately donned and the language used is inappropriate. This does not conform to the behavioral norms of those in the armed forces of India. The related scenes need to be withdrawn. Given the sensitivity of the matter, streaming platform ने तुरंत apology issue की and offered an explanation about why Anil Kapoor is seen in an Air Force uniform and in what context he uses the unparliamentary language. The streaming platform also clarified that it was never their intent to offend the Indian Air Force. Our intention would never be to disrespect the armed forces of India in any regard. AK vs AK is a film in which Anil Kapoor and his co-stars are playing themselves as actors. At no point does the film represent the Indian Air Force or our armed forces. We have nothing but the highest respect for the brave people protecting our nation. Actor Anil Kapoor also shared a video on his microblogging page and offered a sincere apology for unintentionally hurting the sentiments of the Indian Air Force. The actor also explained कि उनका कैरेक्टर अपनी बेटी के किडनैप होने की वजह से परेशान है और इसीलिए कुछ abusive words का इस्तेमाल करता है. Anil ji also added that he has immense respect for the Indian Air Force and फिल्म में उन्होंने Air Force को demean करने के intent से कुछ भी नहीं किया.
I would like to sincerely offer my humble apologies for unintentionally hurting anyone's sentiments. I just like to supply some context to hopefully help you understand how things came to be this way. My character in the film is in uniform because he's an actor playing the role of an officer. When he finds out that his daughter has been kidnapped, the anger and rage he experiences and portrays is that of an emotionally distraught father. It was only in the interest of remaining true to the story that my character is still wearing the uniform on his quest to find his missing daughter. It was never my intent or the intent of the filmmakers to disrespect the Indian Air Force. I've always had the utmost respect and gratitude for the selfless service of all our defense personnel. And so, I truly apologize for unintentionally hurting anyone's sentiments.
Whether the Air Force withdraws its objections or allows the makers to release the entire film before revisiting its concerns remains to be seen.